Wow! Greetings, people. How are you doing today? Greetings on wherever you're watching me from, guys. I do appreciate your presence, you watching my video. I do value a lot. I don't take your time for granted or anything. Thank you so much. So on today's video, I want to prepare dinner, and my dinner will be, I'm having stew, fish stew and ugali. As usual in Kenya, we do ugali most of the time. So let's start making fish. So here I have my 3 fish, which is tilapia. I have my 3 fish, which is tilapia. I have my 2 onions. I have my garlic, my ginger, and 4 tomatoes. And this one is called pepper. And also I have my coriander. So I want to start by making the ingredients. I'll start by chopping my onions. Cutting onions is very stressful, So here is my onions. They're making me cry, so I don't put a lot of garlic, just a little bit. Garlic and ginger, I'm grating them together. So here is my garlic and ginger together. Here is my onions. Let's do the tomato. Here's my plate. So here is my ingredients, guys. I want to start cooking my fish. I normally put this together with the pepper, the tomatoes and the pepper together. Don't mind me. Here they are together. Let's do the coriander. So here is my coriander. Is my coriander ready. Now time to go and start cooking, guys. Let's go cook. Let's start cooking. I'll add my onions. And leave them to cook. My onions are ready. I'll add in my tomatoes and the pepper, and I'll leave it to cook. I'll add into my tomatoes, I'll add a bit of salt for it to cook nicely. And I'll cover it and leave it to cook. So let's check together. The tomatoes are cooked nicely, very nicely. They are cooked nicely. So let's add water. And leave it to cook also. I'm adding a little bit of coconut, cream powder to make it taste nicely, to make the taste yummy. Yes, that's coconut. Coconut cream. And I'll cover it to cook. Before I put my fish in, I want it to boil. So let's check. and put in our fish. I'll cover it for it to cook a little bit, and then I garnish with the coriander on top. So let's check our fish stew, and garnish with the coriander on top. So here's my coriander. Put on top a little bit. You turn. Then you add the remaining one. And you cover it, you put off your gas, and there your fish is ready. Time for me to start cooking ugali. Let's cook ugali. Let's make ugali. Water is ready. My ugali is ready. Wakata.